Welcome to G-Lax, everyone. Deal of the day coming your way. Let's go. Don't waste any time. To the business. All right, we got it here. A cool looking box. Omega in the house. That's the receipt. And as you can see, it's Omega 007 James Bond edition. Let's see what we got here. All right. We got here beautiful Omega Seamaster diver, 300 meters, James Bond 007, 42 millimeter titanium. MSRP on this one is $10,000. You know, G-Lax no fryer, and I will take care of my followers. $5,500. A beautiful, beautiful looking watch. That's a cool, nice combo for $5,500. Almost 50% off. Full set, box and papers, the whole 9 yards, and the receipt person paid $10,120. Don't ask me why I'm selling it so cheap, because G-Lax no fryer and we take care of our followers. We got here Tudor in the house, Pelagos 42 millimeter titanium and steel case. MSRP on this one is $5,025. G-Lax got it $2,800 only. $2,800 delivered to your destination, and you got the extra links and extra band that you might want to change the look of it. Next, okay, we got here Breitling Superchronomat, a 44 millimeter. MSRP on this one whopping $26,400. Still have full stickers on the case, as you can see. It's never been worn. Amazing condition, pass for new. Still have the warranty intact till 2028. And the way we buy this, my friends, I'm buying it right. So this one have about 216 as is in gold. If you multiply 18 karat, that is $62 a gram today, you will have 13,300 in gold value as a Breitling watch. We're selling it for 13,500. I don't think you can go wrong with this. That's the way we buy the G-Lax. We buy it right and sell it right. 13,500 at 26,400 MSRP. We're selling it for 13,500, literally 50 off. And the money is there because the gold is so high. You can't go wrong with this. All right, we have here a Daytona Ghost Edition 116519. Beautiful stud, no scratches, no dings, full set, box and papers. This is a 2018. G-Lax got it for $33,500. Delivered to your destination. $33,500 for a nice combo that everybody likes. Everything is available online. glaxjewelers.com. Search bar. Deal of the day coming your way. Pay today, get it tomorrow. And if you want to pay the same price as mentioned here, the only number to call is right here. Text or call, and we give you the wire instruction. Good luck, guys. Everything's available. One of each. Take care.